Will your street flood this weekend? 350 millimetres of rain heading for parts of Wales right now. Coastal gales battering Scotland at 70 miles per hour. Blizzard conditions on the Grampians. And this is just the beginning of what is shaping up to be one of the most chaotic weather weeks Britain has seen this winter. Right now, at this very moment, two powerful weather systems are sandwiching the UK. If you live anywhere between these danger zones, you need to know exactly what is coming your way, because in the next 72 hours, every region will be affected. Some will see sunshine, others will battle snow, and a few unfortunate areas will experience both. Here is what nobody is telling you about this weekend's weather battleground. The southwest is already getting hammered. Devon, Cornwall, Somerset. If you are there right now, you know what I am talking about. Heavy rain has been relentless since early morning. But here is the twist that is coming at the 30-second mark. The Midlands, which looks dry right now, will be soaked by tomorrow morning. That rain currently drenching Plymouth is rotating northward faster than initially predicted. Let me give you the reward I promised. By the time you reach minute 5 of this forecast, you will know the exact day and time when your area gets the worst weather. You will know whether to cancel that Sunday car boot sale, whether to bring the garden furniture inside, whether your elderly neighbour needs checking on. Stay with me, because the information at minute 3:20 is going to save you serious headaches this weekend. Scotland, let me talk to you first. If you are in Aberdeen, Dundee, or anywhere along the east coast, you are in the thick of it already. Southeasterly winds are screaming in at 60 to 70 miles per hour. That is coastal gale force. Persistent rain has been falling since yesterday, but here is what makes your situation critical. Above 400 meters on the Grampians, this is not rain anymore. This is prolonged mountain snow. Heavy, wet, dangerous snow. The kind that causes whiteout conditions. And it gets more complex. Ice accretion. That is the technical term for when ice builds up on every surface. Roads, pavements, power lines. The Grampians are experiencing blizzard conditions right now. Visibility near zero. Wind chill making it feel like minus 10 Celsius. If you plan to hill walk this weekend anywhere in the Cairngorms or Grampian ranges, absolutely cancel it. Mountain Rescue are already on high alert. But here is the conflict nobody saw coming. Western Scotland, you are in completely different weather. Glasgow, Fort William, the Isle of Skye, you are sitting in a zone of relative calm. Reasonably dry, even some bright spells. You are only 100 miles from the chaos in Aberdeen, yet you could almost enjoy a weekend walk. How is this possible? It is all about pressure systems fighting for dominance. Now let me take you to the complete opposite corner, southwest England and South Wales. If you are in Exeter, Plymouth, Truro, Swansea or Cardiff, you already know the rain has been brutal. But here is the number that should make you sit up. Some areas could see 80 to 120 millimetres of rain by Sunday evening. That is nearly 5 inches in 48 hours. Think about what that means. Flash flooding potential in urban areas, rivers already running high, the Tamar, the Exeter, the Towie, all swelling rapidly. If you live near any watercourse in Devon, Cornwall, Somerset or South Wales, check your flood defences now, not tomorrow, now. Bristol, you are right on the edge of this system. The rain will be heavy but intermittent. Newport and Cardiff, you are getting the full force. Pembrokeshire, the rain is wrapping around that low-pressure system like a spiral. It is not moving fast, which means prolonged rainfall. Agricultural land is already saturated. More rain means serious surface water issues. Here comes your first prediction gap. What happens when that southwestern rain meets the cold air coming down from Scotland? I will tell you at minute 3:20, and it involves snow in places you would not expect. Northern Ireland, you have not escaped. Belfast, Londonderry, Armagh. That southwestern rain system is encroaching on you right now. It started as light drizzle this morning. By tonight, it will be steady rain. Tomorrow, heavier spells. You are caught between two systems, and while you will not get the worst of either, you will definitely get wet. The wind is your bigger concern. Southwesterly gusts reaching 40 to 50 miles per hour across County Down and County Antrim. If you have loose items in the garden, secure them. Trampolines are particularly vulnerable in these conditions. Every year, someone's trampoline ends up 3 gardens away. Do not let it be yours. Temperatures across Northern Ireland will hover around 7 to 8 Celsius. Not freezing, but with that wind and rain, it will feel significantly colder. The phrase raw and miserable comes to mind. Layer up if you are heading out. Now, for those of you sitting pretty in the middle zone, this is where it gets interesting. The Midlands, you have had a decent day today. Birmingham, Nottingham, Leicester, Derby, dry weather, even some sunshine breaking through. You might think you have dodged the bullet. Wrong. Here is the twist at 15 seconds. That rain currently hammering the southwest is rotating around low pressure. By early Sunday morning, it reaches you. Birmingham will wake up to steady rain. Nottingham the same. Leicester, expect it by 8 in the morning. This is not a brief shower. This is several hours of consistent rainfall. But here is your advantage. You are getting advance warning. 24 hours notice. Use it. If you planned outdoor activities Sunday morning, shift them to Saturday afternoon. You have got a weather window. Grab it. East Anglia, let me give you the good news first. Saturday is your day. Norwich, Ipswich, Cambridge, Colchester, dry and reasonably bright. Temperatures reaching 8 to 9 Celsius in the south, above average for late January. Make the most of it. Get outside, enjoy it, because Sunday tells a different story. That clear weather you are enjoying creates another problem. Overnight, Saturday into Sunday, with clearer skies, temperatures will drop. Not freezing, but close. 4 to 5 Celsius by dawn. Then that rain moves in from the west. So Sunday morning in East Anglia starts gloomy, becomes wet, stays miserable most of the day. Southeast England, you are in a similar boat. London, you have got Saturday to play with. Kent, Surrey, Sussex, Essex, reasonably pleasant Saturday. Temperature-wise, you are the warmest spot in Britain right now. 9 Celsius in central London, Brighton hitting 8. Not bad for January. But that low cloud will build overnight. Sunday morning will be grey and gloomy before the rain arrives from the west by midday. By evening, steady rain across the entire southeast. Not torrential like the southwest, but persistent enough to ruin outdoor plans. Here is something nobody is talking about. The breeze overnight Saturday prevents widespread frost. That is actually good news. No ice on the roads Sunday morning. But it also means low cloud and murky conditions. Visibility will be poor in places. If you are driving early Sunday, expect fog patches, especially in the Thames Valley. Northern England, your weather is splitting down the middle. Literally. The Pennines create a divide. Western areas, Manchester, Liverpool, Lancashire, you are staying relatively dry Saturday. Some bright spells, temperatures around 7 Celsius. Feels pleasant enough with lighter winds, but cross the Pennines, Leeds, Sheffield, Hull, Newcastle. You are getting that cold, southeasterly breeze off the North Sea. It is not bringing much rain to you Saturday, but it is making it feel distinctly chilly. Temperature might say 6 Celsius, but wind chill makes it feel like 2 or 3. That is coat and scarf weather, definitely. Sunday changes everything for Northern England. That showery rain spreads across the entire region. No area escapes. Manchester gets it, Newcastle gets it, Sheffield gets it, York gets it. But here is the crucial detail. Northern areas, especially above 300 metres, this could fall as sleet or wet snow. The Pennines, the North York Moors, the Lake District Hills. Snow is possible, even likely above 250 metres. And now, the information I promised at minute 320. Here is what happens Tuesday into Wednesday. Another low-pressure system arrives. This one is different. This one has real teeth. It is moving in from the Atlantic. But here is the critical factor. That cold air currently over Scotland does not leave. It sits there, stubborn, immovable. When mild Atlantic air meets that cold pool over northern Britain, you get a battleground. A weather front that becomes stuck. Meteorologists call it a stationary front, but there is nothing static about the weather it produces. Heavy rain in the south, sleet and snow in the north, and right along that boundary, chaos. Freezing rain is possible. That is rain that freezes on contact with surfaces. Incredibly dangerous. Black ice everywhere. The current models show this front sitting somewhere across the Midlands Wednesday, but fronts wobble. They shift. 50 miles north or south makes a massive difference to who gets rain and who gets snow. Manchester could wake up to snow Wednesday morning, or it could be rain. Birmingham could see sleet all day, or it might stay just mild enough for rain. This is the forecast uncertainty that drives meteorologists crazy. We know something significant is happening Wednesday. We know it involves a clash of air masses. We know there will be disruption. But the exact details, the precise location of that rain-snow line, that is still evolving. Let me give you city-by-city specifics for the next 72 hours, because this is what you actually need. London, Saturday dry, Sunday wet from midday, Monday showery, Tuesday building clouds, Wednesday rain heavy at times. Temperature steady, 7 to 9 Celsius throughout. No snow for you. You are too far south, too mild. Birmingham, Saturday afternoon into evening, turning wet. Sunday wet morning, then showery. Monday scattered showers. Tuesday cloudy. Wednesday rain, possibly turning to sleet. This is your watch zone. You are right on that battleground line. Manchester, Saturday mostly dry. Sunday showery. Monday showers continuing. Tuesday cold with wintry showers possible. Wednesday sleet or wet snow likely, especially on higher ground. Temperatures dropping to 4 to 6 Celsius by Wednesday. Liverpool, similar to Manchester, but slightly milder. Saturday dry, Sunday showery, Wednesday sleet possible but rain more likely at sea level. Leeds, Saturday cold and bright, Sunday showery with sleet on hills, Monday wintry showers, Tuesday very cold, Wednesday snow likely, especially above 150 metres. Temperatures struggling to reach 5 Celsius Wednesday. Sheffield, almost identical to Leeds. You are in the zone for potential snow Wednesday. The Pennines west of you will definitely see snow. Whether it reaches the city depends on that front S exact position. Newcastle, Saturday cold with coastal showers. Sunday showery and cold. Monday remaining unsettled. Tuesday very cold. Wednesday snow showers likely. You are far enough north that Wednesday S system brings you snow, not rain. Prepare for it. Edinburgh, Saturday showers dying out. Sunday cold and showery. Monday remaining cold. Tuesday very cold with snow showers. Wednesday snow at times, possibly heavy. Stock up on essentials Tuesday. Glasgow, Saturday dry spells. Sunday showers moving in. Monday cold and showery. Tuesday very cold. Wednesday snow showers. You are in the colder air mass. Snow is more certain for you than rain Wednesday. Aberdeen, Saturday persistent rain and hill snow continuing. Sunday showers. Some wintry. Monday cold showers. Tuesday very cold. Wednesday snow showers. You have had the worst of it already. Wednesday is just more of the same. Cardiff, Saturday, heavy rain continuing. Sunday, rain easing to showers. Monday, scattered showers. Tuesday, mostly dry. Wednesday, rain, heavy at times. You stay in the mild, wet zone throughout. Swansea, identical to Cardiff. The rain Saturday is your main concern. After that, typical January showery weather. Plymouth, Saturday, heavy persistent rain. Sunday, rain continuing but easing slightly. Monday showers, Tuesday drier, Wednesday rain returning. You are getting absolutely drenched this weekend. 100 millimetres plus is possible. Bristol, Saturday rain spreading in, Sunday wet morning, then showers, Monday scattered showers, Tuesday drier, Wednesday rain. You are on the northern edge of the heaviest rain. Norwich, Saturday dry and bright, Sunday becoming wet, Monday showers, Tuesday cloudy, Wednesday rain. No snow concerns for you. You stay mild. Southampton, Saturday dry, then rain later. Sunday wet morning, Monday showers, Tuesday mostly dry, Wednesday rain. Coastal gales possible Wednesday. Brighton, Saturday pleasant, then clouding over. Sunday wet, Monday showers, Tuesday drier, Wednesday rain. Temperature staying mild, 8 to 9 Celsius. Nottingham, Saturday dry, Sunday wet morning, Monday showery, Tuesday cold, Wednesday rain or sleet possible. You are borderline for Wednesday S's snow. Leicester, almost identical to Nottingham. That Wednesday front will determine whether you get rain or sleet. Cambridge, Saturday nice, Sunday wet, Monday showers, Tuesday cloudy, Wednesday rain. Staying just mild enough to avoid snow. Oxford, Saturday dry then wet evening, Sunday wet morning, Monday showers, Tuesday mostly dry, Wednesday rain. Temperature 7 to 8 Celsius throughout. Reading, similar to Oxford. Saturday evening rain, Sunday morning rain, then typical showery January weather. York, Saturday cold, Sunday showery and cold, Monday wintry showers possible, Tuesday very cold, Wednesday snow likely on higher ground, sleet in the city. Prepare for disruption. Chester, Saturday dry, Sunday showery, Monday scattered showers, Tuesday cold, Wednesday sleet or wet snow possible. You are on the margins of the snow zone. Stoke-on-Trent, Saturday turning wet. Sunday showers, Monday scattered showers, Tuesday cold, Wednesday sleet likely. Hills around you will see snow for sure. Coventry, Saturday evening rain, Sunday wet then showery, Monday showers, Tuesday cloudy and cold, Wednesday rain or sleet. Borderline situation, Derby, Saturday dry then wet, Sunday showers, Monday scattered showers, Tuesday cold, Wednesday sleet possible, snow on high ground certain, Hull, Saturday cold with showers, Sunday showers, some wintry, Monday cold showers continuing, Tuesday very cold, Wednesday snow showers likely. Stock up now. Middlesbrough, Saturday showers, Sunday showers continuing, Monday cold showers, Tuesday very cold, Wednesday snow showers. You are in the snow zone for certain. Sunderland, identical to Middlesbrough. Coastal location keeps you slightly milder, but Wednesday still brings snow. Durham, Saturday showers, Sunday cold showers, Monday wintry showers, Tuesday very cold, Wednesday snow. Higher areas west of the city will be significantly affected. Carlisle, Saturday mostly dry, Sunday showers arriving. Monday cold and showery, Tuesday very cold, Wednesday snow, possibly heavy. You are isolated if snow accumulates. Check supplies. Lancaster, Saturday dry, Sunday showers, Monday scattered showers, Tuesday cold, Wednesday snow or sleet likely. The Trough of Bowland sees heavy snow Wednesday. Blackpool, Saturday dry, Sunday showers, Monday scattered showers, Tuesday cold, Wednesday sleet or rain. Coastal location keeps you slightly milder. Preston, Saturday dry, Sunday showery, Monday showers continuing, Tuesday cold, Wednesday sleet likely, snow on high ground. Exeter, Saturday heavy rain, Sunday rain easing, Monday showers, Tuesday drier, Wednesday rain returning. Flooding concerns Saturday into Sunday. Truro, Saturday torrential rain at times, Sunday rain continuing, Monday showers, Tuesday drier, Wednesday rain. Worst rainfall totals in Britain this weekend. Gloucester, Saturday rain arriving, Sunday wet then showers, Monday scattered showers, Tuesday drier, Wednesday rain. River Severn will be running very high. Worcester, similar to Gloucester. 7 flooding concerns over the next few days. Hereford, Saturday rain, Sunday showers, Monday scattered showers, Tuesday drier, Wednesday rain, possibly turning sleet. You are borderline. Shrewsbury, Saturday rain, Sunday showers, Monday scattered showers, Tuesday cold, Wednesday sleet possible. Welsh borders see snow for sure. Wrexham, Saturday heavy rain, Sunday showers, Monday scattered showers, Tuesday cold, Wednesday sleet or snow. The Welsh mountains behind you get buried in snow Wednesday. Inverness, Saturday showers, Sunday cold showers, Monday remaining cold, Tuesday very cold, Wednesday snow showers. Highland roads will be treacherous Wednesday. Perth, Saturday showers easing, Sunday cold showers, Monday wintry showers, Tuesday very cold, Wednesday snow. A 9 of Scotland sees significant snow Wednesday. Stirling, Saturday showers, Sunday cold showers, Monday wintry showers, Tuesday very cold, Wednesday snow likely. Central Belt gets hit Wednesday. Dundee, Saturday persistent rain and hill snow, Sunday showers, Monday cold showers, Tuesday very cold, Wednesday snow showers. You are having a rough week weather-wise. Now here is what you need to do before Sunday. Check your gutters. That persistent rain will find every weakness, clear drains and gullies if you can safely access them. Bring in anything the wind could turn into a missile. Check on elderly neighbours, especially in Scotland where conditions are already severe. If you are planning travel Sunday, expect delays. The M5 through Devon and Somerset will have surface water. The M6 through Cumbria could have ice patches. The M74 in Scotland definitely has snow concerns. The A1 in Northumberland will be wet and windy. Leave extra time. Drive to the conditions, not the speed limit. Wednesday is the bigger concern. If you have essential travel Wednesday, monitor forecast closely. That rain-snow line could shift. What looks like rain Monday might be snow by Tuesday's update. Flexibility is key. Have a plan B. Here is what I need you to do right now. Comment below with your town or city. Tell me where you are. I will give you a specific forecast update for your exact location. The national picture is complex, but your local forecast can be precise. I am monitoring the models constantly. As they update, I will update you. And here is something crucial. If you see snow Wednesday, do not assume Thursday is better. That cold air lingers. Thursday could bring more snow showers to northern areas. Friday potentially the same. This is not a quick 24-hour event. This is a 4 or 5 day period of unsettled, potentially disruptive weather. Southern areas, you stay wet but mild. Northern areas, you turn cold with snow. The Midlands, you are the battleground. You get the most uncertainty but potentially the most interesting weather. Freezing rain, sleet, wet snow, all possible Wednesday across the Midlands. Here is the detail that affects everyone. Overnight temperatures, Saturday night into Sunday, generally 4 to 5 Celsius, not freezing because of the cloud and breeze. Sunday night into Monday, similar. Monday night into Tuesday, starting to drop in the north. 2 to 3 Celsius in Scotland, 3 to 4 in northern England. Tuesday night into Wednesday, this is when it gets properly cold up north. Scotland could see -2 to -4 Celsius in rural areas. Northern England -1 to +1 Celsius. That is why precipitation Wednesday falls as snow in the north. But here is the complexity. Temperature is not uniform. Cities stay milder than countryside. Coastal areas stay milder than inland. Valleys can be colder than hillsides if cold air drains and pools. Your exact situation depends on your microclimate. A farm in the Yorkshire Dales will be much colder than central Leeds. The west coast of Scotland stays milder than the east coast because of Atlantic influence. This is why local knowledge matters. You know your area. You know if your street floods. You know if your road ice is up. You know if your power lines are vulnerable to heavy snow. Use that knowledge. Combine it with this forecast. Prepare accordingly. Let me give you the timeline one more time because this is critical. Saturday, 2 weather systems active. Southwest and South Wales getting hammered with rain. Northeast Scotland getting persistent rain and hill snow with gales. Everyone else reasonably dry. Saturday night, rain from southwest starts moving north and east. Sunday morning, rain spreads to Midlands, central and southern England, Northern Ireland. Sunday afternoon, showery everywhere. Sunday night into Monday, showers continue. Monday remaining unsettled and showery. Tuesday, building cold from the north, next system approaching from the west. Wednesday, major system arrives, rain in south, snow in north, battle zone across Midlands. Temperature trajectory. Saturday, 7 to 9 Celsius in south, 4 to 6 in north. Sunday, similar. Monday, 6 to 8 in south, 4 to 6 in north. Tuesday, 6 to 8 in south, 3 to 5 in north. Wednesday, 6 to 8 in south, 2 to 4 in north. Thursday, staying cold in north, mild in south. Wind direction tells the story. Saturday, southeasterly in Scotland, southwesterly in England and Wales. Sunday, becoming more easterly in north, southwesterly in south. Monday, easterly in north, variable elsewhere. Tuesday, easterly becoming northeasterly. Wednesday, northeasterly in north, southeasterly in south. That clash of wind directions shows the front location. Rainfall totals for the entire period Saturday to Wednesday. Southwest England and South Wales, 150 to 200 millimetres. That is 6 to 8 inches. Significant flooding risk, Midlands and Southern England, 50 to 80 millimetres. Northern England, 30 to 50 millimetres. Scotland, 40 to 70 millimetres, but much of that is snow on high ground. Northern Ireland, 60 to 90 millimetres. Snowfall totals Wednesday for areas that get snow. Scottish Highlands above 300 metres, 10 to 20 centimetres. Southern Uplands above 200 metres, 5 to 10 centimetres. Pennines above 250 metres, 5 to 15 centimetres. North York Moors above 200 metres, 3 to 8 centimetres. Lower levels across northern England and southern Scotland, 1 to 5 centimetres possible but uncertain. Here is what that snow means practically. If you live in rural northern England or Scotland and you get 10 centimetres of snow Wednesday, smaller roads will be impassable without gridding. School buses might not run. Bin collections could be suspended. Animal feed might be difficult to access if you are agricultural. Power cuts are possible if snow accumulates on lines. Mobile phone signals can be affected. You could be isolated for 24 to 48 hours. This is not fear-mongering. This is reality in rural Britain when proper snow arrives. If you are in these areas, do not wait until Wednesday. Prepare now. Saturday is your preparation day. Stock up on essentials. Check your heating fuel. Charge power banks. Fill prescriptions if needed. Check on livestock if you have them. Clear routes to animal shelters, salt paths and steps, locate shovels and snow scrapers. Urban areas handle snow better but are not immune. Wednesday morning commute could be chaos in Leeds, Sheffield, Newcastle, Edinburgh if snow falls during rush hour. Even 2 centimetres of snow brings British cities to a standstill. We are not equipped like Scandinavian countries. We do not have the infrastructure. Factor this in. But here is the opportunity. Saturday is genuinely nice for many areas. If you are in that dry zone, the Midlands, East Anglia, Southeast, use it. Get outside. Exercise, fresh air, enjoy it because the next week is going to be grim, dark, wet, cold, miserable. Bank some vitamin D on Saturday. Your mental health will thank you. For those in the wet zones, southwest and northeast Scotland, hunker down. This is a day for indoor activities. Sort the garage, organise cupboards, catch up on admin, read that book, watch that series. Do not fight the weather, accept it and adapt. Sunday is transition day. Weather deteriorating for most. A good day to prep for the week ahead. Meal prep if that is your thing. Get ahead on laundry. Organize your week. Because Wednesday's potential disruption might throw your schedule off. Comment your location below. The more specific, the better. I can give you precise details. Are you in a valley or on a hill? Near the coast or inland? Urban or rural? All these factors matter. Let me help you prepare properly. And here is your teaser for the next forecast. What happens after Wednesday? Does that cold air persist? Do we stay in a snowy pattern, or does mild Atlantic air win the battle and wash everything away with rain? The answer depends on something called the North Atlantic Oscillation, and in the next forecast, I will explain exactly what that means for the rest of January and early February. Subscribe so you do not miss it. Your long-range planning depends on understanding what is coming. This weekend, stay safe, stay informed, and stay flexible. Weather is dynamic. Forecasts update. What looks certain now might shift. Check back regularly. I will keep you posted as new data arrives. Your safety and preparation are what matter. Make smart decisions, use common sense, and remember, weather passes. This too shall pass. But being prepared makes it pass a whole lot easier. Drop your location in the comments now.